My name is Safa Bulletin. I'm showing you question 2. So you see we have 24 samples and observations, 5 observations for each sample. We also are looking for A and B for 10.7. The specs are 10.7 plus and minus 0.15, and also looking for the non-conforming percentage. So going into question 2, to start off, to find the lower specification limit, you are getting 10.7 minus the 0.5, which corresponds with the specs, and the upper specification limit, which is 10.7 plus 0.15, which gives you 10.55 and 10.85. And the average you will use to find the average function of all of the samples within the observations, which is B3 to F26, and to find the standard deviation, use the standard deviation function of all of the observations within the samples. After that, you are now looking at the CPL. To find the CPL, you use the equation of the average minus the lower specification limit divided by 3 times the standard deviation, which will give you 0.558. And then to find the CPU, you use a similar equation of the upper specification limit, so minus the average divided by 3 times the standard deviation, which will give you 0.589. And the CPK is the minimum of the CPL and the CPL and the CPU. And the minimum of both of those is the CPL, which is 0.558, which will make the process not capable since it is less than 1. Going to part B to find the non-conforming. To find Z1, you will use the lower specification limit, subtracting the average and dividing it by the standard deviation. And then going into Z2, you will use the upper specification limit, subtracting the average, dividing it by the standard deviation. Then to find the Z-scores for both, you will go into the Z table, and that will give you for negative 0.67, will give you 0.0475, and then going into the Z table for 1.769 will give you 0.968. To get the percentage, you'll just convert this into a percentage. And for this one, you will convert 1 minus the 96.08 to give you 3.92. Adding them together will get you 8.67, which will give you 8.67% non-conforming. Thank you.